In 2025, the opportunities to make money online are vast and more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time job, or ways to earn passive income, the internet offers a wealth of possibilities to build real, sustainable income streams. Gone are the days of questionable schemes, as today's online world is all about legitimate and reliable opportunities that can be scaled based on your time and skills. In this video, we're going to explore 7 proven ways to make money online in 2025, from freelancing to e-commerce and beyond. Let's jump in. At number 7, we have starting your own blog. Blogging isn't a new way to make money, but in 2025, it has evolved into a highly lucrative and versatile business. Many people still assume that blogging is just for hobbyists, but the reality is that successful blogs can generate substantial income. If you have a passion for writing and a specific niche you care about, whether it's fashion, tech, travel, finance, or even pets, starting a blog can be the perfect way to share your expertise and monetize it. To start, all you need is a domain, hosting, and a platform like WordPress, which makes it easy to build and customize your blog. Once your blog is up and running, you can start generating income in several ways: affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling your own products or services, and even running display ads through networks like Google AdSense. Affiliate marketing is a popular strategy for bloggers. You promote products or services on your blog, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. If your blog gains a large enough audience, it can become a valuable asset that can generate passive income, even when you're not actively working on it. Coming in at number 6, we have freelancing. Freelancing continues to be one of the most popular and rewarding ways to make money online in 2025. If you have skills in writing, design, web development, marketing, or any other service-oriented profession, freelancing is a viable option that allows you to set your own rates, schedule, and clients. With the rise of freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, it's never been easier to find clients and start offering your services. The beauty of freelancing is that it provides flexibility. Whether you want to take on a few gigs in your free time or turn it into a full-time business, freelancing offers scalability. You can work with clients from all around the world, which opens up unlimited opportunities. The key to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio, networking with potential clients, and offering high-quality service that helps you stand out from the competition. Coming in at number 5, we have selling digital products. Selling digital products is a fantastic way to earn passive income online in 2025. Digital products are items that can be downloaded or accessed online, such as ebooks, courses, templates, printables, and software. One of the most powerful aspects of digital products is that they require little to no inventory, and once they're created, they can be sold repeatedly without additional costs or work. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell digital products. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you could sell design templates or social media graphics. If you're a writer, you could publish ebooks or create online courses. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to sell digital products, and many of these platforms handle the payment processing for you. You can also sell directly through your own website, using tools like Shopify or WordPress. The best part about selling digital products is that they can be automated. So once you've set up your products, you can make money while you sleep. This makes it one of the most effective ways to generate passive income online. At number 4, we have becoming a virtual assistant. As more businesses and entrepreneurs move their operations online, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. Virtual assistants, VAs, help businesses with a variety of tasks, such as administrative work, customer service, email management, social media management, research, and data entry. If you're organized, reliable, and have strong communication skills, becoming a VA could be a great option for you. Virtual assistants can work with clients in various industries, from real estate to e-commerce to consulting. In many cases, VAs are able to set their own hours and work remotely, making this a highly flexible online job. To get started, you can find clients through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Building a portfolio of services and gathering client testimonials will help you attract more clients over time. In 2025, more businesses are looking to streamline their operations and outsource administrative tasks, which means the demand for skilled virtual assistants is expected to continue growing. The pay can vary depending on the services you offer, but experienced VAs can charge higher rates for specialized tasks. At number 3, we have starting an e-commerce business. E-commerce has exploded in recent years, and 2025 is no exception. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy making it easier than ever to set up an online store, launching an e-commerce business is one of the most viable ways to make money online. Whether you want to sell physical products, dropship, or create a print-on-demand business, e-commerce offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs. In 2025, online shoppers continue to increase, and people are more comfortable than ever purchasing products online. If you have a passion for a specific product or niche, starting an online store can be a lucrative business. You can sell anything from handmade goods to fashion items, tech gadgets, beauty products, and more. To get started with e-commerce, choose a platform that fits your business model. For example, Shopify is ideal for those who want to run a full-fledged e-commerce store with full control over their brand, while Etsy is a great option for handmade or vintage products. Once you've set up your store, you can drive traffic through digital marketing channels like social media, SEO, and email marketing. At number 2, we have becoming a content creator. In 2025, content creation has become a thriving industry, offering opportunities for anyone with a camera, microphone, or a passion for sharing their experiences and knowledge. Whether it's through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or blogging, content creators can make money by sharing their unique voice and perspective with an online audience. The best part about content creation is the wide range of monetization options. You can earn money through brand deals, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and fan donations. If you're consistent and create content that resonates with your audience, content creation can lead to lucrative long-term opportunities. Many creators also build their own brands and businesses around their content, adding multiple income streams. To succeed as a content creator, focus on finding your niche, creating high-quality content, and engaging with your audience. Whether you're sharing tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or funny skits, being authentic and providing value is key to building a loyal following. It may take time to grow your audience, but once you build traction, the possibilities for income are vast. Finally, at number 1, we have investing in stocks and crypto. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrency is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth online. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, with the right knowledge and strategy, investing can lead to long-term financial success. In 2025, both traditional stocks and cryptocurrencies continue to be popular ways to grow wealth, and the accessibility of platforms like Robinhood, Trade, and Binance make it easy to start investing with minimal capital. Stock market investing involves buying shares of companies you believe will grow over time. With the right research and strategy, investing in stocks can provide significant returns, especially with dividend-paying stocks or growth stocks that appreciate over time. If you're new to stock investing, it's important to educate yourself and start with a diversified portfolio. Cryptocurrency is another avenue that has gained popularity in recent years. While the market is volatile, many investors have seen substantial gains by investing in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or newer tokens. In 2025, many platforms offer easy-to-use tools for buying and trading crypto, so even beginners can get started. As always, be sure to do your research before jumping into the stock or crypto markets to ensure you make informed decisions. And there you have it, 7 legit ways to make money online in 2025. From blogging and freelancing to investing in stocks and crypto, the opportunities to create sustainable income are more diverse than ever. The key to success in any of these fields is consistency, a willingness to learn, and the right mindset. Start small, scale over time, and you'll find that the internet is a goldmine of potential. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who's interested in making money online. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips, strategies, and inspiration to help you succeed in the digital world. See you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Stay tuned for more online money-making strategies and success stories that will keep you motivated in 2025.